Good morning, everybody. So today I am in my new workout room that's a complete mess. So the first thing that we're gonna do is clean it up. I rarely vlog on this channel, but I decided that I should because I miss vlogging. So that's what I'm doing now. So this is my new house. This is the master bedroom. And I had my bed in here, and what I kind of decided was I'd rather have like a bigger workout room than a big like room to sleep in, since all I do there is sleep. So I switched out my bed. I had a couple people that offered to help me, but I didn't want to like wait around until they were ready. So instead what I did is just tried, well no I did, I ended up moving my whole entire bed that was like massively heavy mattress all the way from one room to the other room. This room isn't set up at all. I still need mats and everything in here, but I want to get my aerial down today, so we're just gonna make it happen in here. So here's what the actual room looks like. So in here, since this was the master bedroom, I have my bathroom and walk-in closet in there. We're just gonna keep that there, so that's what's through that door. I had lights over here. I think I'll probably take those off, I'm not decided. And then all the equipment, you can see my photo wall back there, but then I have a whole bunch of equipment up here in front. Everything will get redone. I definitely need mats in here, so I'll be putting down some mats. I have confetti from like this project that was happening in here before. Yeah, but look at all these cute memories. This is gonna be moved into my actual bedroom. Let's see, look. That was in Taipei. Picture of my sister coaching me. That's me and Donovan. Okay, but the reason that I'm doing this video today is because I used to be able to aerial. I had such pretty aerials back then. And I don't think I've done one in like over 6 months. The point of this video is, number one, find out if I can still aerial, which I think like a month ago I tried doing one and I could not land it at all. I'm gonna warm up, do a little bit of a stretch, do some tumbling warm-ups, and then just get right to the aerial. I'll be breaking down some tips as I'm doing it, so if you're struggling with your aerial, if you used to be able to do it and you wanna be able to do it now, then this is gonna be a fun video for you to watch. All right, let's go ahead and get started. You're not pulling your hands away from the floor. You're kind of blocking, so you're pushing your arms off to give you like a little bit of a bounce off of your arms before you land on your feet. So the goal is to jump from your hands. There's gonna be an in-between phase where you go from your hands to neither your hands or your feet touching the ground to landing your feet. And that's to kind of help you learn how the landing works on an aerial. So it just looks like this. Okay, not my best one, but hopefully you get it. Okay, here's gonna be my first aerial try. Oh, not even close, oh my god. Okay, so if you're trying to get your aerial down, let me kind of break down a little bit of like how an aerial works. So pretty much you're gonna do this hurdle into it. If you don't know how to do a hurdle, then I'd recommend Googling how to hurdle. I'd also recommend you know how to do a cartwheel and a one-handed cartwheel, and then working up to like what I was showing you with a dive cartwheel. So how an aerial works is you're gonna hurdle into it. From here, this leg is gonna be the leg that pushes you off the ground. So it literally just has to push off the ground and explode you, boost you up into the air. Okay, that's the job of your front leg. Your back leg But what I like to do is try and push off when my back leg is not down here, but when it's as high as it can go up. That way it has less of distance to cover to make it over before I aerial. So leg pushes off, this leg swings over, it kicks over your head as fast as it can. And then what I like to do with my arms is literally just like, while I'm in the air, I like to pull up. So you'll see me do this like motion of pulling myself up. That just kind of reminds me, I wonder if I could do it. I mean, I think I can do an aerial with like my hands behind my back, or I used to be able to. But it really just like reminds me to like lift myself up rather than diving down into the ground. It reminds me to keep myself going up. And I think that helps me get over. So those are kind of like all the tips I have for the aerial, learning those drills, learning like those different kind of cartwheels that I was showing you. And then honestly, it's just gonna take like a lot of times, a lot of practicing, a lot of falling on the ground until you get it. But be safe, do it in like a safe area. If you have mats, then those are awesome. And get working. Okay, so one of my other kind of like tricks is to do like a butterfly aerial. So if you know how to do a butterfly, I'm gonna do really bad ones. I haven't done one in like at least 2 years. So it looks like this. Oh, that was really bad. Maybe that was better, I can't really tell. That kind of just helps remind me of what the feeling of going over, having my legs go over, kind of being semi-upside down, kind of just reminds me of what landing feels like as well. So if you know how to do a butterfly aerial, that is helpful to kind of help you like baby step up to the aerial. Nope. So my other idea will be helpful to me. I don't think it'll be helpful to most people, but I was always really good about doing aerials like just standing in your spot without doing the run-up. So I'm gonna try a couple of those and see if those are any easier. They're usually harder, so I don't know why. I think this will help. So a really important step is making sure you have the right knees or something in order to carry. Okay, this is doable. This is doable. Ready? Yes, okay, that's a really good start. Try that again. Oh my god, that's really easy. You guys, what was missing was just that song. It's important. Okay, I'm gonna record it for Insta now. So for some reason, every time I tried it for Instagram, I just failed every single time. I'm like a good amount of time into this like aerial training session. So since I was able to land the standing ones where I want to clean those up a lot more for sure, but I'm gonna call that good for today. I'm gonna finish off with a little bit more of a workout just so I can get like an actual workout down today. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you guys want to see more like vlog style videos rather than just like teaching or taking you through workouts. That's all. I will see you guys all in my next video. Make sure you subscribe, follow @LiveMartialArts on Instagram, and I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye guys.